Welcome in Turkey. Welcome to an exciting journey through time and discovery. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of Turkey's ancient fossils and carvings. Turkey, known for its rich history and cultural heritage, holds secrets millions of years old beneath its surface. From breathtaking fossils to intricate carvings, each artifact tells a story of the past. Archaeologists have been tirelessly uncovering Turkey's hidden treasures, revealing clues to ancient civilizations and their way of life. But what's truly captivating is the recent discovery of a treasury of fossils right here in Turkey. These fossils offer a glimpse into prehistoric times, allowing us to understand the world as it once was. Among the latest finds are stunning fossils of ancient creatures, preserved in remarkable detail. From gigantic dinosaurs to small marine life, each specimen adds to our knowledge of Turkey's natural history. I'm here with Dr. Ayşe Demir, an expert in Turkish archaeology. Dr. Demir, can you tell us more about the significance of these recent discoveries? His reply was, absolutely. These fossils provide invaluable insights into the evolution of life on Earth and the geological history of Turkey. They offer a window into the past, helping us piece together the puzzle of our planet's story. Here the museum filled with ancient carvings. But it's not just fossils that capture our imagination. Turkey is also home to exquisite carvings, showcasing the artistry of ancient civilizations. These carvings, crafted by skilled hands centuries ago, reflect the beliefs, customs, and traditions of the people who once inhabited this land. One such site is the recently uncovered treasure trove of carvings, shedding new light on Turkey's cultural heritage. From elaborate reliefs to delicate sculptures, each carving adds to the tapestry of Turkey's history, inviting us to explore the past and connect with our roots. As we uncover more of Turkey's fossils and carvings, we're reminded of the timeless beauty and wonder that this land holds. Join us on this journey of discovery as we continue to unravel the mysteries of Turkey's past. Subscribe for more archaeological adventures.